Hey, we have so complicated system and society because the majority of people lost their touch with the Tao, which is original path of universal harmony. However, the Tao never loses the touch with all of people that might be confused and lost. So yes, they may feel that they are lost, but they are not lost for the Tao. And Tao still works through them. The universal harmony still works out through everything that we create, through all that system, through all the people without them noticing it. And that ignorance just creates unnecessary processes and suffering. But when you come to this point, when you start to recognize that workings of divine in everything, when you are looking for it, you naturally start to find it more and more. You start to feel it more and more. You start to embody it more and more every day, in every moment. Then yes, you become like a lighthouse. Then you can share this awareness, both energetically and in your deeds. But for that, you also need to cultivate your energy, your life force, and to direct it to this awareness of the Tao. Then the signal of this awareness becomes stable, becomes powerful, and others will sense it and will be able to tune into it. And eventually it becomes undeniable in our society. So I invite you to devote yourself to be that pillar, that stable pillar of awareness for the divine, for the recognition of the divine in everything. And yes, how you can cultivate your energy and direct it through various spiritual practices. So I encourage you to build some kind of routine, some kind of structure for yourself in your daily life, to concentrate within, to contemplate the infinity, to raise again, to circulate your energy, and also in your daily works, in your household, everywhere, in all the relationships. Just allow your energy to return to this awareness naturally by not attaching to various limited transitory experiences. when you allow to naturally respond with whatever happens in your most loving, most harmonious response, and then leave it there and returning all of your energy to this freshness of awareness in the moment, in the vastness of the moment, back to this sensing of universal harmony, then yes, then all of your life is uninterrupted, stable cultivation of that awareness and embodiment of that awareness. But to come and become more familiar with that state, yes, I recommend to have a daily concentrated practice, to put hours into that, best in the morning and evening. And in between, yes, there is a time for application of that, expression of that. And also, if you would resonate for my assistance, I can assist you in that. We can connect, we can have a private session where we will tune in together what is the best routine or practice for you. Throughout my life, I gathered a lot practical knowledge and experience, and with my openness and intuition, yes, I can also help you to guide yourself and to become more aware of that guidance of the Tao, which is always in touch with you and in truest senses it is you. It is inseparable. It is everything. And I also invite you to tune into that awareness of inseparability, of seamlessness, suchness. Where is that instant realization of perfection in all movement of life. Nothing is excluded from that. So, just be that consciously and enjoy it. More information about how to contact me, how to support me, thank you very much, is on the information tab below this video. So, see you in the flow of Tao.